Yesterday, I rode 405 miles through some of the worst weather of this winter. On a 125. I don't think I'm mad. But I admit that there were points yesterday where even I doubted my sanity. XA0 I've had the trip planned for a few months now, with the destination being a 24 hours mountain bike called Strathpuffer on the far side of Inverness. It's about 495 miles from our offices in Peterborough, according to Google Maps. So the plan was to split it into 2 days. Day 1, I thought, was to be the easy but boring day. A long hop up the A1 to Scotch Corner, across the country on the A66, and then from Penrith as far as Perth, where a nice warm hotel awaited me. It didn't quite work out that way. It wasn't quite the rain, it was more the horrendous gale force winds that were the issue. Riding across the Pennines was terrifying in parts, and my arms are sore even now from wrestling the bike around. However, the Yamaha MT-125 I've been riding has been really impressive. Surprisingly roomy and comfortable, capable of cruising at motorway speeds even with me and a lot of luggage on board. And it's still managing 90 mpg. Today's plan, I'm just about to set out, involves snow. Perth to Inverness on the A9 is currently pretty heavily snow-covered, but the roads have been plowed clear, and it's a beautiful day now. Wish me luck. Single quote quote.